Hello papers, today I will make another video in English so I don't have to make again one in German and Greece. It's about the new Ithaka rebuildable part, the new update for the Ithaka owners, or yes, only for the Ithakas owners, because the base is not the same as the Odysseus. So we will have a closer look on the parts. Then I make a coil and I will check out the vaping experience. How is it? Because I always wanted something like this for the Ithaka. I have seen something like this from Polish model Papyrus or something like that. I don't remember well the name. He make an update for the Odysseus, and this part was a Typhoon converter inside of this for Odysseus, but finally he may have do something new. It's looking like the Typhoon GT from German, but it's not the same. I hope so. So I've never tried out before. Today I will try this part for first time. So we go and see how is the vape experience. You don't like me, take this one. As for the Penelope, I wish a GGTS adapter base ring, because on the Provari the drawer is for me too open, and they have much flash. It's really a beast, the Penelope V2. And something I forget for the Penelope is, if you receive the Penelope, please clean the ceramic with toothpaste. Don't burn it out or cook it in hot water, because they will break. So the best way to clean, just take a toothpaste and polish, and they will remove all bad flavor from the ceramic. And also you have to remove to clean the brass parts on the Penelope V2. And they have a strong flash. Okay, now I will turn the camera down and we see the new rebuildable part for the Ithaka. So I have these diamond parts here because sometimes we need to clean some parts, as always. Maybe they have some negative parts from the cutting, and so we remove it like this, just a gently scratch, but only on these points here, on these cuts, we have to clean this part a little bit. And I have do this with these diamond tools. I hope you see this. And as I have said before, only on this place. So you see they're really clean work again, but because the cut here is difficult, they will have some parts to clean. The wicks that goes inside are 3 millimeters. Don't use more fat wicks. They will cause problems. The mouthpiece is a little bit bigger as the Ithaka, and they will not match, so you need the new mouthpiece. As you have seen on Emeo's videos, how he make the assembling and disassembling, remember these steps, because you will damage the device. So I will not open now every body part. Because I don't want make the video big. So I put it together, screws open. The brass part is this. I have cleaned it well to make sure there's nothing, again with toothpaste, and it's look pretty good. So now you have to be a little bit careful on if you insert this part inside the housing. So sometimes they don't remove because I have to clean a little bit more inside with these tools, because it's very new. I have received it today actually. I didn't have 1 week or 2 weeks. So and they will sit on his place, so you can turn it maybe later. I have found this position is the best to make the coils, the setup. Maybe I must change the position, I will see. I put the one plastic down, and hopefully they will, and I hope I don't have troubles on the setup. So I will see this. Now you see they will not move. If you want to move it out, I will disassemble very fast because I cannot explain well, so you have to see. I take this part off first because the another part is sticking inside. Why, I don't know, but no problem. I push from the down part a little bit left and right, so I lose this piece and it's out. If you have this picture, this look in your hand, then maybe the position is totally correct. So I will cut a double wick. And I will use Cantal A1 020. I take a long piece so I can work with this about this part. It's long a little bit, but I need this so I can make the coils well. I choose the bigger one, and the smaller one I take it like Sophia, Killer or Penelope, and this one is for the K-fan or now for this setup, so I can make tight coils without damage the silica wick. So I make 5 coils. Now I take the base. I will use the O-ring. And I screw the part in the base. Okay. I take, so I try to show you how I make it. It's almost the same way as the K-fan. It's the same setup. I will use this technique. I hope you understand. If not, I will make an extra video for the setup. So as you see, you need some patience, and maybe I need some better technique. Maybe. But it's okay. Actually, it's not the same way as the K-fan. It's a little bit different, but I'm sure you will find out very quick. I look, the coils are not touching the two terminals, the negative and the center post terminals, so I don't have a short connection. So that looks pretty good. So now we'll check on the Provari if that works. And I hope that works, because Then I have to make a new setup, and I don't like to make new setup. So we don't have a connection. I screw a little bit out. .3 ohms. So 5 coils are much on this setup, so I have to increase the voltage. Yes, like 5 volts. Yeah. And they are glowing nice. So I must increase the voltage more. So maybe 5.5 volts. Very better. Good. Okay. Liquid. So actually this is set up for 8.4 volts. This coil is very good for this. Alright, it's exact. Very good. So you see, I can wait this to try out. Normally I don't use so much ohms. I am about 1.5 ohm or 1.1 ohms or 0.8 ohms. For safety reasons I don't go more down. I have to open air control. Mhm. Be careful if you open the air control. They will boost very fast. It's not bad. It's pretty close to the K-fan. Air control full open. Let's see what's happened. Provari says, no boy, you're too high. So I make 5.8. I will check this without the 510 base on the just GG, without O-ring. Nice. stacking. Yeah, there is enough power. 3.9. Wow. Now that works perfect. It's a great tool. So thanks to email for this new update kit. I like it. So maybe I must work a little bit again on my setup. As I've tell you before, it's my first setup, but for the first time it's a really good tool for the Ithaka. And I think the owners of the Ithaka will be very happy with the new Ithaka update, because I'm happy. And thanks and for watching, and I say goodbye for the next time, to the next video.